hey, we heard you like math problems, so we put some math problems in your math problems so you can math problem while you math problem. Teacher. That's one of my hey, that's my best intro yet. We're gonna break the internet. It's gonna be amazing.
Number one's trending. We're better than Peter.
From Santa Clarita, let's hear it for Emily. Yes. Emily, come on over. Here's the microphone. Okay. So how do you do this problem? Now, I want you to, obviously you don't have to write it out in expanded form, but I want you to help us do that so we see how to do it.
So to write it in expanded form, you would write 5 and then b, which the exponent is 5, so you would write b 5 times.
Uh-huh.
Then times 2.
Mm-hmm.
And then 8 b's.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool.
So 5 times 2 is 10, equals 10. And then since like multiplying exponents, you have to add them, so it equals 13.
Right, and excellent. Excellent job. And so if you think about in your mind, even if you don't write it out, if you think about it in your head, you won't make that mistake that some people might make of doing 8 times 5, right? Because you see, oh, there's 13 of them. Alrighty. Okay, do you have a code name?
Yes, Uno reverse card.
The reverse card? Uno reverse card. Okay.
Yes!
Only one reverse card.
Okay.
Alright, help us out.
Okay. So x is just x, and then you add 5, multiply by 5, and then you put 3 x's.
Mm-hmm.
Then 5 is just multiplied by nothing, so it's just 5. And then you just take x, and there are 4 x's, so you put x to the 4th power.
Yes. Do we agree?
Yeah.
Good job. So what's the most common mistake? 5x to the 3rd, because people think, oh, there's nothing there. But that's actually a 1, right? This is not a 0, that's a 1. So we have to add 3 plus 1 is 4. All right. Let's move ahead. So the only difference here is that you have to do 6 times 3 times 2, which is 36. And then how many k's do we end up with? 16. 16. Very good. All right, let's see. Let's do number 5. Who wants to do that one? Okay, you have a code name?
What?
What's your code name?
I want to do it.
Yes. What's your code name?
That's mine.
No.
She said yes.
Yeah, but what's your code name though?
Yes.
No.
Okay. Yes, I know you're gonna do the problem, but what's your code name?
Her code name is yes.
Right.
Her code name is
her code name is
Yes.
No, that's his code name. What's your
He can
code
be no.
Alright.
Joe.
I'm just joking. I knew what you were doing. Alright, here we go. Help us out here, young lady. Yes, go ahead.
You do 6 to the 3rd power, which is 6 times 6 times 6.
But wait, we want to expand this one, so let's expand it. Yeah.
So then you do 6, you write u out 3 times,
Mm-hmm.
and then you write v out 6 times,
Yes, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
and then you write that 2 more times.
Yes, I do. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, good. Now, if you do that, even just in your mind, then you don't have to memorize the rules. So how many do we end up with, young lady? Yes, 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 no, no, yes, yes.
You could write 6 to the 3rd power,
Uh-huh.
u to the 9th power, and v to the 18th power.
Do we agree?
Yes.
No.
Let's see. It's not. What? If it's appropriate, what is it? A what?
Tomato sauce.
The tomato song?
Tomato
sauce.
Oh, tomato sauce. All right, tomato sauce. Okay. All right, go ahead.
Come on, Ben. Ben, go up.
Come on down, tomato sauce. Here you go. Oh, wait. There you go.
Leave right there.
Yeah, leave it there. Okay, go ahead.
Yellow. Okay, so we do expanded form. We do 6, then U 6 times,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't do that.
and then V 6 times,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
and then we do that 5 more times. I mean 4 more times.
4 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Okay. So, according to my calculations, what's your answer?
It is 6 to the 5th power.
6 to the 5th power.
U to the 30th power,
Mm-hmm.
and then V to the 30th power.
Do we agree?
Yes.
Oh no.
Better agree.
Yeah, good job. So, Mom, let me just go through this quickly. So, actually for dividing, writing out in expanded form does help. Oh, my mistake. Okay, 2m and then 2 p's. There's a negative here. Much better. M. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 Q's. Alright, there we go. So we got 1 M that crosses out, 2 P's that cross out, but we still have 2 M's here, and we still have 2 P's here, and we still have 2 Q's here. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So then I go, let's see, we have a 2 here, and we have a negative. Don't forget that negative. M squared, P squared, Q squared. I think that's right. I know. Yes, sir? Sure, come on up. Do you have an appropriate code name? What is it? Goose with no name. All right, come on down, Goose with no name. Duck, 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 Goose.
Sorry, just go over there.
All right.
Yes. No, that's a game too.
All right, here we go. All right, how about number 11?
Honk.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so intelligent honk. The negatives cancel each other out.
Right, so negative divided by negative, so these become positive. That's correct.
Then, after that, the ends, the one at the bottom is canceled out, and you.
Well, let's do it the
left
long way.
out.
Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 honks.
Yes, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I barely
8 honks.
squeezed it in there. And then 9. What else?
Yes, and then just 1 M,
Mm-hmm.
and then 8 M's.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, cool.
And then 5 P.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Okay, cool. Now what?
Then the ends cancel each other out.
Right. So let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, is that? Oh, but there's 2 left on top, right? 2 left on top. Okay. Now what?
Then the P's cancel each other out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there are how many left on top?
3.
3 left on top.
So
Okay, we got some stuff left.
Yes.
Give me my final answer, please, sir.
Final answer is 4n squared,
Mm-hmm.
p squared, I mean p to the power 3,
Yeah, there's 3 left.
and over 9m.
Is that right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Happy honk.
I don't know why you're doing all those honks. Yes.
Angry honk.
Hmm. Yeah. Anybody else? Go.
No.
No. You should just raise your hand to do it, though.
That's her name.
Mr. Bass, I think she's referring to her.
I know, I got it, but I was just playing along. Okay, 2x to the negative 6. Now what?
Mike's over here.
Watch out. What do we do?
You write 2x to the 6, and since it's a negative exponent, you move x to the negative 6 down and remove the negative.
Okay, so it's 2 over.
X to the 6.
Yep, you got it. Easy cheesy, right? Lemon squeezy. Good job, no. No, yes. Good job, no. All right. Let's zoom in here. Now, I saw a bunch of people doing, let's see, which one? This one wrong. So let's do this one. In the other class, I saw a couple people doing this one wrong. There's something you have to be careful about here. Does anybody know what it is? What?
The zero exponent.
Yeah, there are 0 exponents, but that's not what people were getting wrong. Yeah?
Is it the order of operations with the parentheses?
Exactly. Good. So we get rid of this 0 exponent. Bless you, sir. And then, you know, what do we do with those 0? We say, get out of here, you 0 exponents. There's the door. Yeah. You get out of here.
Go to the corner.
Hey, you go to the naughty spot.
Why did I say that?
That's for Super Nanny.
Oh,
You go to the naughty spot for the number of minutes of your age, and then you stay in the naughty spot for those minutes, and then when those minutes are over, you apologize to your mum.
No, thank you.
And if you do not apologize to your mum, then you will go back to the naughty spot for the number of minutes of your age again, and then you will apologize to your mum. So if you tried to cancel out this x, then you cannot do. Then you made a mistake. Okay, you have to do the parentheses first. All right. So if we wrote this 9 times, we would get. Whoa. I need to change it. Let's see. How about this one? I would get 2 to the 9th, and I would get x to the 9th, right? Over 2x to the 4th. So now you see we're going to get a different answer than if you tried to cancel it out beforehand, which you're not really allowed to do. All right, so let's. That's going to be. I need to change my writing thing. All right. So, what can cancel out? Anybody know? Anybody know? Anybody know? Anybody know?
Yes.
Yes.
The 2?
One of the two,
Yeah, one of the
right?
two, that's what I just said.
So right. So that means that we have 8 on the top. And what about the x's?
So the x's, you just have x to the 5th power.
We have 5 left on top, so over 1. But you don't really need to write the over 1, right?
Because the numerator, that's just the final amount. You don't have to divide it by it.
Exactly. So see, I showed 3 steps. You guys should not be doing all this in your head. No. All right. So let's see. So last but not least, can I move on? No? Yes? All right. So square root of 50. What's the nearest integer? Go ahead, Reese.
It's about 7.
Why?
7 squared is 49.
Right. It's close to square root of 49. Okay, what about this one? 9, right? 81. Right? The square root of 80 is almost 81. It's very close, isn't it?
Also be negative.
Yeah, it's positive. I forgot that in
Yeah,
all of my
positive.
classes. I
Mr.
forgot to
Ash,
write
you're
positive or
slipping.
negative. What's up with that? I don't know what happened. Positive or negative. Yeah. Okay. What about this one? What's this one closest to?
Or around
4? Yeah, you're right.
9.
Between 4 and 5, right? But it's closer to 4. So positive or negative 4. Okay, what about this one?
11.
Yep. Right? Because 12 is 144. Bye, YouTube.
Bye.